It's a certified 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.